Boys and girls, welcome back to once again our brand new video. So today I'm gonna make the basically a very individual part. We have seven, 6 to 7 parts. Okay, we will make this design 7 to 6 part. I think it's almost okay, and we will assemble these parts. Okay, in this video we will assemble this part. Okay, so the first part we will make the base part, of course, the base part, and the second part we will we have the adapter, and third part we have the charging connection cable to iPhone charging. Okay, basically basically the cable which connect to the iPhone for charging purpose. Okay, and the fourth we have the expansion board. Okay, it's not expansion, it's an extension board, sorry for that. And we have fifth we have the power supply. Okay, which the current will be goes from the power supply unit to the extension board, and then extension board to the adapter, and then adapter to the cable, and then cable goes to the then other parts. Okay, and the sixth we have the wire. So we will this wire will be useful for connecting the power supply and to the as you can the extension port. Okay, and the part we have the iPhone. Okay, so in this assembly we will show you how to assemble these parts. Okay, individually. Okay, so we have 7 parts. Okay, so let's go, it's a start. Okay, so before dive into this designing our part, just once again I want to just tell you that now the election is going. Yeah, everyone knows that things. Okay, so those who going for the vote, okay, be safe guys, because this corona will be not ending. You can see this news day by day, this spreading and spreading. Okay, so those who are going to vote, so guys, be safe. Okay, and wear masks. At least you have to wear masks, man. The mask is very necessary for your protections from this virus. Okay, and make a distance, at least make a 1 meter distance. Okay, so the coronavirus can't be you can say you can not be spreadable full. Okay, so without any wasting this precious time, let's design to the first part. We have the base part. Let's go. So you can see here our assembly has been just created here. Okay, and in this canvas you can see this is the power supply, this is the wire extender board adapter, and this is the you can see cable, and we have the nice beautiful gold model iPhone. Okay, we have this I don't know what's the megapixel of this three cameras, but I know this is the lidar. It's a lidar sensor we have. It's just okay, man. The background sound is just inviting, man. The election is just too much. Okay, man. It's advertising the. Okay, let's pass this. Then I will say something. You do. Go, man. Go, man. Go fast, man. Okay. Okay. So you can. Oh my God! Once again, okay. You can see this is the lidar sense. Lidar. I don't know what is the lidar, but from my some knowledge, is it's create the 3D models. Okay, it's create the 3D environment. Okay, so this is only for this video, guys. So you can see this is the base part. Okay, and what? So you can see this we have only for this man. Okay, thank you guys once again. Be safe, be healthy, wear mask often, and once again those who are going for the boat, once again I just want to tell you that be safe, wear mask, and make it distant at least of 1 meter. Okay, okay guys, thank you guys, goodbye, boom.